Olympiad problem. So in this question is given 2 raised to a minus 2 raised to b is equal to 2016. Then we need to find the value of a and b. Okay, one thing is very clear. The result positive is only in one condition, when the first number is greater and you have subtracted smaller number from the greater number. For example, suppose I am taking 7 minus 4. So the result is what? 3. If you take it 4 minus 7, the result is what? Minus 3. It means if you subtract greater number from the smaller one, result always be negative. But we have a result as a positive. It means 2 raised to a must be greater than 2 raised to b. So this is very important line. Okay. So 2 raised to a must be greater than 2 raised to b. As we know, base are same for the both number. So there is a one condition that power may be changed. Means a must be greater than b. This is what? A must be greater than b. Because base are same. If you compare the power, I just make it, suppose k is a constant, or value which you add on b, you get a result equal to a. It means a is equal to b plus k. I just let it. And suppose I add k on this number, so this greater than become equal, means a is equal to b plus k. Okay. Now, as a is equal to b plus k, come to the questions of 2 raised to b plus k minus 2 raised to b is equal to 2 raised to 2016. Now, we know base has power in such a way m plus n. So we can write it a raised to m multiply a raised to n by using this identity. On applying this in this part, so 2 raised to b multiply 2 raised to k minus 2 raised to b is equal to 2016. Now we can write it 2 raised to b multiply 2 raised to a 2 raised to b multiply 1, because you multiply any number by 1, there is no change in number, is equal to 2016. 2 raised to b is common, so 2 raised to b we take common, so 2 raised to k minus 1 is equal to 2016. Okay, this is also very important. Now important part is change the color, this one better I think. Now it's time to make the prime factor for the 2016. So 2016, it's even number divided by 2, so it's given 1000 I think 8, then divide by 2, so 1008, it's 504, then divide by 2, the result is what? 250, if I am not wrong, 252. Then again divide by 2, result will be 126. Again divide by 2. Okay, when you divide this number by 2, then 2 6 times and 2 3 times. You may divide further, but I'll stop from here, because as we know, we have a question form of 2 raised to b and 2 raised to k. So this result will be written in the same way. So these are the two we multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 2 raised to 5. We can write this part 2016 as in a format of 2 raised to 5 multiply 63. Okay, because 5 times 2 come, that's why 2 raised to 5. Now this part is equal to 2 raised to b 2 raised to k minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 5. One thing is very important. Any power for the 2, the result always even. For example, suppose you have 2 raised to 0 is what? 1, except of this. But suppose you have 2 raised to 1, then 2, 2 raised to 2, then 4, 2 raised to 3, then what? 8. So you are getting even number except of power 0. Rest for the all number, okay, always you are getting a result even. So even number is possible when the power is greater than 0. And we have here two number. The first number is 2 raised to 5, which is even because power is 5 for the 2. And the second one is odd number. This is even, this is odd. Okay, one more thing here to understand. This part is what? Any power except of 0. So except of 0, it means what? 2 raised to b must be equal to 2 raised to 5, because this is even, this is even. Okay, for a and b is not equal to 0. I think I should inform this at the earlier of this question, but remember here a and b both are not equal to 0. This is condition for you. Okay. So when 2 raised to b is equal to 2 raised to 5, it means what? Base are same, power may compare. So the result for b is what? 5. We are getting 1, I think. No? Now it's time to find the second one. 2 raised to k is what? Minus 1 is equal to 63, because if you subtract 1 from any even number, always get the result odd. Example 32. 32 minus 1 is what? 31, which is odd. So any number, if you are subtracting any number, 1 subtract from the any even number, result always be odd. So this value must be equal to 63. Now 2 raised to k is what? 63. Okay, plus 1, because it's in negative in this side. So 2 raised to k is what? 64. 2 raised to k is what? 64. 64 means when you factor it to 2 raised to 6, we can do it 64, 2, then 32, then 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, again 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2 are there, 2 raised to 6. Now, as this value is 2 raised to 6, so base are same, base are same. Compare the power, compare power. So k is what? K is equal to 6. Now value is k is 6. We need to find a, not k. So b is what? 5. K is what? 6. So for a is, we know b plus k. B is what? 5. K is what? 6. So a is what? A equal to 11. This value. So we have a two value. A is 11 and B is 5. I hope you understand this question. Thank you so much for watching this video.